Hey guys, I'm back and I'm super excited because I have a human hair from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that's ISEE Hair. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you're an oldie, you know how much I love ISEE Hair. From their packaging, the quality, the price point, the beginner friendliness, I love these units. As a matter of fact, this is the brand that most often my mom takes because she loves the quality of this hair as well. They have also included some wig caps, an adjustable glueless band that also has the adhesion that makes the wig lay flush to the back of your head, and we have a contact and a care card and links to all of their socials on there. All right, so the wig, I'm just reading directly off of here because I can't remember what I got. This is a 22-inch water wave wig. Let's get in here so we can see what the cap construction looks like, and I see there's a few more things in here that we need to look at. All right, so here's the wig directly out of its packaging. Let's look at this cap construction because there's a lot to talk about. One of the reasons why my mom loves this brand is because the combs on these units are removable. So if you want the combs, if you don't want the combs, they're there. You get one to the right, you get one in the back, a long extended one, and then you get one over to the left as well. And I do like that feature of the removable combs. As far as the lace, you see that there is lace going around this entire unit, which means that we should be able to pull this up into a ponytail. We should see if I can do that, because y'all know I cannot comb hair. Other than the glueless band that they also included that I showed you earlier, they also have another band in here. It has wording on it. It says wear and go, and it is adjustable as well. So that's nice. Now, this is what the selling point is supposed to be on this wig. I know if you're on YouTube, unless you've been on a rock and you're new to wigs, you've been seeing these drawstring wigs all over the internet. Okay, I've been seeing them as I scroll as well. They are definitely in my algorithm. So these new drawstring wigs are supposed to be wigs that can adjust more securely to your head, and that should allow you to pull it up in that ponytail. We shall see, because y'all know I'm gonna always be honest with you. The three things that I'm looking for in human hair when I get ready to recommend it, the three things are affordability, quality, and beginner friendliness. I say this all the time. Y'all know under here I only have like 3 strands of hair because I cannot comb hair. And I don't like for hair to be a hassle. I don't like hair that I have to do too much to, especially if it's not growing out of my head, because then why? I'm just not. So I'm looking for beginner friendliness. You know, I'm going to be honest on if we can achieve this or not. What I'm going to do is put this wig on my head first, just run some water through it, give you a 360 and let you see that. And then we are going to attempt to use these drawstrings to pull it up into a ponytail. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and that took a lot longer than normal because, again, I cannot comb here. So I was really trying to test out the selling point on this wig, and it's the drawstrings. But before we get into the drawstring, let's talk about the wig itself. I filmed it in 2 little sections because I absolutely love the texture of this wig, the curl pattern of this wig. I love the ease of that part of the wig. I'm pretty sure I put some footage here for you to see it just down wearing it normally before I tested out the drawstrings. The wig is phenomenal. This is a very, very beautiful water wave. So after I did that, I said, let me try out these drawstrings. So with the drawstrings, it's supposed to form to your head and you can pull it up. I hope that I got some appropriate footage of you seeing me do that. It's not as hard as I thought. I had to really stop and think. I had to look at the wig and determine what needed to be done and could I do it. And I did it. It's probably not a professional because, again, I can't comb hair, but I was able to pull this wig up into a ponytail, and it felt as if it formed the back of my head. Jessica, how did it look? Because my first time seeing this is me playing the footage back to put this video together for you guys. Can I recommend this wig? 1000%. Whether you use the drawstrings or not, this is an absolutely gorgeous wig. I didn't have any problems with it. That part of the unit, like me just putting it on, was extremely beginner friendly. And to be honest with you, the drawstrings, if I played around with it a little bit more, it would be 1000% beginner friendly too. So I can recommend that you go pick this one up from ISEE Hair. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put all the details on this one that I ordered, as well as a direct link to it, because I encourage you to really look into this if you are someone who likes to pull your hair up. This one is bomb.com. I do recommend it. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on these drawstring units, because now they are just popping up everywhere. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.